In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the LinkedIn extension for Lemlist step by step. First, open your browser and install the Lemlist Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. After installing the extension, log into your Lemlist account and make sure the extension is connected properly. Next, open LinkedIn and search for the people or companies you want to target. When you visit a LinkedIn profile, the Lemlist extension will appear on the page and give you options to capture lead information automatically. You can add the lead directly to an existing campaign or create a new lead list inside Lemlist. The extension can also collect useful details such as the person's name, job title, company, LinkedIn URL, and sometimes verified email addresses depending on your setup. After importing your leads, go back to Lemlist to review your contacts, personalize your outreach messages, and launch your campaign. Using the LinkedIn extension can save time and make prospecting much faster and more organized. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.